Vedio Garden is now offering 35% off. Check out all their smart gardening products here at Vedio Garden. Limited time offer. Don't miss it. Discover more smart garden tools on my channel. Today we are looking at 5 garden products that will save you both time and money and make your garden more beautiful and lush. Product number 1. Organic Fertilizer. Organic fertilizer releases nutrients slowly, which protects plants from the shock of over-fertilization and strengthens their root systems. They also preserve the beneficial bacteria and fungi within the soil, helping plants stay disease-free. Additionally, organic fertilizer improves the soil's ability to retain water. Product number 2. Natural Pesticide Spray. Here we are talking about natural solutions like neem oil. Neem oil doesn't just kill pests, it also disrupts their reproductive ability. This means a single application provides long-lasting protection. Unlike chemical sprays which can harm beneficial insects and your pets, natural sprays are completely safe for your garden's ecosystem. Product number 3. Hori Hori Knife. The Hori Hori knife is an essential tool for gardening, weeding, and soil work. It combines the functions of scissors, a small trowel, and a planter all in one. This means you don't need anything else in the garden. It's a multi-purpose tool that makes various tasks significantly easier. Product number 4. Grow Lights. Grow lights are essential for starting seeds indoors, especially during winter, and for maintaining an indoor herb garden. Plants require a cycle of light and darkness for proper growth. For best results, use an inexpensive timer to provide at least 12 to 14 hours of light per day. Product number 5. Watering Can. A high-quality watering can is essential for delivering the right amount of water to your garden. Choose a can with a capacity that suits the size of your garden. A watering can gives you complete control. Use the spout to deliver water gently and directly to the base of your plants. This prevents overflow and ensures the soil is evenly moistened without washing it away. These were our 5 effective garden products. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you the best of luck with your garden.